Introducing the ColorKey Creator Spot 250. The Creator Spot 250 is a professional LED moving head spot luminaire featuring a 200-watt cool white LED that delivers a bright, dynamic atmosphere. Produce a variety of impressive looks and styles with 8 colors plus split colors, 2 gobo wheels featuring 7 static gobos, 6 rotating gobos, including a textured glass gobo, and a 6-facet prism. Motorized focus ensures sharp gobos at nearly any distance. As part of the Creator series, the Creator Spot 250 sports a multicolor halo around the edge of the spot, which synchronizes with other Creator fixtures and includes pre-programmed chases and patterns, ensuring seamless integration and visual consistency across your Creator setup. Frame set position control mode is designed to keep the light beams from going where you don't want them, like the back wall or your audience's eyes. Designed for events and permanent installs alike, all ColorKey Creator series fixtures feature quick release brackets and PowerCon power linking to simplify setup and teardown. A heavy-duty flight case is also available separately. Create unforgettable shows with the Creator Spot 250 from ColorKey. Ask for it at your favorite lighting retailer today. Visit us at colorkeyled.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for up-to-date information on new ColorKey product releases.